Hi there guys and girls, good evening to each and every one of you. Take a look at this little girl. She's helping her mom on her business. She's peeling off the vegetables. It's sayote and carrots. Oh my gosh. So cute and very helpful little girl. You know what, little girl, you will be a great help to your mom from the time being. I think you will be successful also just like your mom. Right? You're into business, huh? You should take a sleep now, baby girl. You are so kind. See that, guys? She knows how to peel off the carrots.